Hey Shantanu, this is the car we've been talking about. C4S. Really hot car. The black wheels and the tints just make the car, give the car a real aggressive look. Also has the clear side lenses. Paint's good all around. Tires and wheels look good. There's one tiny little scratch on it that I'll show you in a second. Here's a close-up of one of the wheels. I'll show you the others in a bit. Here's a good view of the paint. Here's the rear right tire. This scratch is... I don't even know if I can see it here. Here it is. It's really not very much. It's not a big deal. It might even buff out. We haven't tried to do it yet. Finish going around the car. Stainless steel exhaust pipes with a sport exhaust. Really nice car. Let's go inside. Beige interior, power seats, BOSE, full leather. You've got Sport Chrono, sport exhaust. I believe it's got navigation. Let's start the car and listen to that exhaust. You get the difference with sport button. There's your map. Really clean interior. Seats look good. Alcantara headliner looks great. It's just a nice car. There's miles, 29,986. Door. There's really nothing to show you other than that little scratch. It's just a nice car. So here it is one more time. You can hear it from hear the exhaust from outside. Let's get closer so you can take a good listen to that sport exhaust.